All right, guys, here we have the barbell reverse lunge. This is a great workout to target your glutes and also your hamstrings. A couple of key points of performance here. Number one is going to be to make sure that you're maintaining a tight core. Take a deep breath, hold it in, draw down, get that core tight throughout the entire movement. Second is going to be to make sure that you're stepping out when you step backwards. Don't step directly in line with your forward foot. It'll help you maintain a little bit more balance. And then last, make sure you're maintaining a neutral spine throughout the entire movement. Don't crank your neck upwards or look down at the floor. Try to pick a spot on the wall and maintain it through the whole movement.